In this simulation, we are going to explore covalent bonding in diamond. Diamond is one of the forms of the non-metallic element carbon. It has some remarkable properties. Can you recall two of the properties of diamond? Well, diamonds are the hardest natural substance and they have very high melting point. This suggests that the bonding must be very strong for diamond to be a hard substance and to have a high melting point. Here are two carbon atoms that you can use to start building a diamond lattice. As we said, diamond is made up of carbon. So a covalent bond is formed between carbon atoms. By covalent bond, we mean sharing of a pair of electrons. And as you can see, the carbon atom in the middle is sharing 4 pairs of electrons with 4 carbon atoms. You can see the bonding from another perspective. So this is the start of the diamond lattice because the diamond lattice is much bigger than 4 carbon atoms. What type of bonding is holding the carbon atoms together? It's covalent bonding, where the atoms attract each other and they share a pair of electrons. Remember that the three-dimensional diamond lattice is built up by adding more and more of the carbon atoms. This is what a lattice looks like, with the spheres in the diagram representing the carbon atoms, and you can see the dashes between them representing the covalent bond between the carbon atoms. This is covalent bonding in giant lattices.